Hi, I'm Nelson from Techie Portal. Hello guys, this time let's try to create this whole table for both the buttons. So we have here the first button and the second button. So in this tutorial guys, we're going to create this whole table. Okay, so without so much ado guys, let's proceed. Okay, so yep, on the first button, just after this closing front tag, we need to create here table or table border. Okay, and then we need to align all the text to the center or at the center of the table. And then we need to create here the head or digital, that we need to align also all the text at the middle of each oh no, it's not, no, you don't need to align the T head at the middle. So this time you just need a font color. Okay, font color light, okay, or white. Okay, and then we need to create table row, and then we need to create TD. Okay, attribute row span equals 2, and then we need to align all the text at the middle of each table data. Okay, so we need at least 6. Okay, there you go. Then we have grades, we have course code, okay, another is course title, another one is units, next is number of hours. Okay, and then we have the prerequisite. Okay, so prerequisite. Next is you just need to change this row span into col span under your number of hours, and then just inside your t head we need to create another table row, and then another two table data, okay, for your lecture and for love. Okay, next is we need to create t body just after your t head. Okay, tr, and then we need to create here at least 7 table data, and we need to indicate here the grades 1.5, course code GE01, course title we have readings on the Philippine history. Okay, and then units 3. Okay, like, so 3 units for like and 0 for love, and then we need to emphasize the prerequisite subject if any. Okay, but if none, so just need to indicate here none. Okay, next is we just need to copy paste, or we just need to copy this whole tr, maybe 8 times, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we need to create another table row for the total. So td col span equals 3, and then we need to align that one, okay, to the right. Okay, we have the total. Yep. And then we need another td, so at least 4 td for the total units for leg, total units for love, and yeah, just leave that as a blank table data. Okay, all we need to do is to copy this one, this whole table, because we need this one for the second button. So Control C. Okay, you have to make sure that you copy the opening until the closing tag of the table, and then we need to paste that one on the second button. So just after the closing form for this of the second button, so just paste it there, and then save, and let's check. So let's jump on the browser and let's check if we've done a very good job guys. So let's see, so refresh, and then let's say okay. So I think we've done a very good job. Okay, only that we should at least provide a margin, okay, here just after this form. So that is easy. So just look at the table and then put a certain margin of about 2 rem for both buttons. So for the button 1, empty dash, Control S to save, and let's see. So yep, so we've provided a certain margin just after this form. So we have here margin. Okay guys, I think we've done a very good job this time again, guys. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more okay tutorial, guys. So thank you so much. God bless.